Welcome to the place where luxury meets leisure, where every day feels like an escape. Today, we'll step into this 12,000 square foot, fully gated, 7-acre estate conveniently nestled in the heart of Franklin, Tennessee. We'll explore this expansive oasis, complete with all of the amenities you could dream of. A heated pool with spa, waterfall, slide, swim-up bar, cabana, and fully equipped outdoor kitchen. Inside the home, we'll explore the 600-bottle wine room, theater room, game room, and so much more. It's more than a house, it's a haven, where every corner invites you to unwind, entertain, and create unforgettable memories. This is your everyday escape. This is 334 Lionheart Court. An estate like this demands a dramatic entry, and here we are greeted with double black iron doors and a grand staircase, flanked by a sunny office and light-filled dining room. This home begs for large gatherings with family and friends, so we'll explore several options to extravagantly dine and entertain. As we step into the living room, you'll notice how this spacious area seamlessly connects to the kitchen and breakfast nook, creating a hub where everyday life unfolds. Despite the grandeur, this home exudes a cozy and intimate atmosphere, reminiscent of a resort lodge. The warmth of the wood accents, textured stone finishes, and layers of character throughout the house add depth and dimension to the space, making it truly inviting and comfortable. The kitchen is the center of everyday life, and this one has all the top-of-the-line features you'd expect, like the 60-inch Wolf gas range, double oven and warming drawer, dual dishwashers, and 72-inch integrated Thermador refrigerator. 2 expansive silestone islands offer striking prep areas and casual seating, complemented by a discreet walk-in pantry and catering kitchen for added practicality. And with a 600-bottle wine room, your collection remains easily accessible at all times. The breakfast area connects seamlessly to the screened-in dining porch, graced by charming tongue-and-groove wood ceilings. With the elevated hilltop location, dining al fresco becomes a regular affair, with refreshing breezes and breathtaking views. Here you can dine in the vibrant surroundings of your own private resort, complete with a picturesque rock-lined waterfall. French doors seamlessly connect the interior living space to this expansive covered porch, featuring a vaulted A-frame ceiling with hand-carved wood beams. Dive into endless laughter at the swim-up bar, glide through treetops on the water slide, or perfect your cannonball from the natural stone platform. Seeking tranquility? Follow grass-lined stone paths that wind up hillsides to a serene stone fireplace, offering a quiet retreat amidst acres of lush trees. And when summertime calls for grilling, a cabana with a fully equipped kitchen awaits, complete with a gas grill, cooktop, beverage center, cooled tap, and ample seating on the patio. After long days by the water, the primary suite sets the perfect mood with elegant millwork, blackout drapes, and a private screened porch facing the sunset, complete with a cozy porch swing. Elegant brushed limestone adorns the freshly renovated primary suite, including an expansive shower for 2. Unwind in the 64-inch freestanding tub while the fire dances at your feet. A beverage bar offers your morning coffee and your evening cocktail, and is flanked by 2 spacious custom walk-in closets. Guest rooms abound throughout the home, each perfectly able to stand alone with their own private ensuite bath and custom walk-in closet. Nestled between the two second-floor guest suites lies the ultimate rainy day retreat, a game and theater room complete with a raised platform and electric recliners. For those seeking live-in nanny accommodations or multi-generational living, this 700 square foot suite offers ample studio-style living space, complete with its own private entrance. The first floor office provides convenient access to the main area of the home. However, for larger or more formal business needs, the private elevator leads to this elegantly appointed office. With built-ins, multiple gathering areas, and a dedicated powder room, your work commute just got a whole lot easier. Ready to seal the deal? Take the elevator to the basement hideaway, where you can unwind by watching the game or enjoy a friendly game of pool or darts. And there's no need to go hungry with the fully equipped kitchen, boasting an extra wide refrigerator, gas range, oven, and dishwasher. The man cave flows into this secondary walkout basement designed to double as a pool house for effortless connection to the pool area. Featuring a maintenance-free wood-tiled floor and a convenient pool bath, it offers practicality and style. A glass garage door opens onto the expansive patio, ideal for outdoor entertaining, or transform this conditioned area into a stunning showcase for your luxury vehicles. Situated at the end of a cul-de-sac and tucked away up a gated private drive, this estate offers the perfect blend of seclusion and accessibility. You'll find everything you need within reach, from grocery stores like Whole Foods and Trader Joe's to a variety of wellness facilities, exceptional dining venues, and upscale shopping destinations. With a captivating blend of spaciousness and coziness, this home provides an ideal backdrop for every moment, from everyday routines to special celebrations. Every room serves a purpose within this expansive yet cozy layout, where every corner holds a touch of magic. From the everyday escapes to the grand celebrations, this home is truly a haven for all the facets of your life. Thank you for joining us. To experience this magical home firsthand, contact us for an exclusive tour. Till next time.